Aloha my kākou and welcome to my channel. Hello. I'm back. So Ariana came out with a new video and song and she just released it like a couple of days ago. I have a react channel here. I don't know how to do that, so it'll be in my description bar. I really love the looks that she did. She needs to credit her makeup artists because I need to follow them. Come on. But anyway, so I'm going to recreate it, and a Twitter friend is who suggested it, so I'm going to attempt to do one with like all the whatever I have. Like, it's gonna be a disaster, but I feel like doing it, so I'm gonna do it. Yeah. So what we're going to attempt to do today is, oh, you can't even see it, this look right here. And she had it, I can't fucking speak today. She hasn't posted this look not in this filter, so I don't really know what the fuck it looks like. I'm gonna recreate what I think it looks like without the tint and the shine. I got a bunch of new palettes because I have the BoxyCharm prescription. You know, I work in healthcare. I got a lot of new palettes, so I'm gonna try all of them. Try all of them. And if you're interested in what I'm using, just ask and I will comment below, because I just don't have the energy to put all of that out there. So yeah, so if you want to know, just let me know and I'll let you know, you know. Since this is like a heavy eye look, sort of, I'm going to start with the eyeball so that it doesn't ruin the rest of the face. Brings back memories to when I used to do this like weekly when I didn't have a job, which was the best time of my life. But I was also broke, so like there's good and there's bad. What's next? I don't know. I should have checked on YouTube to see if anyone's done this look before so that I can just go off of what they're doing, because I really don't know where to start. Like, I don't even know what color this might be. I'm just gonna go with purple. I'm gonna go with purple. There's purple in like one of the palettes I have, so I'm just gonna go for it. The shadows in her eyes in this area are very dominant, so I'm gonna focus a lot of the eyeshadow on the inner corner. So my face shape is so different from Ari. She has like a very beautiful like eye area, so that whenever she does, you know, eyeliner and stuff, it looks fucking fantastic on her. So I'm gonna have to make it look slightly different on mine because I am Asian. This is so funny. I have no idea what I'm doing. Come a little bit closer, baby. So because the purple is very subtle on my lids, I will probably have to like wet it with something to make it pop. Or I don't really mind this, whatever. I just realized I don't have any makeup wipes and I'll probably have to go to Target looking a fucking fool. So I'm gonna attempt to do the eyeliner piece, which is really difficult because I haven't been wearing any eyeliner at all. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a very tiny brush and create the lines first. This brush is tinier. Oh, girl. It's like a butterfly. I feel like Rico Nasty. What I'm going to do is use my first liquid liner because this is like running out and it's not as dark, so it's easier to sort of wipe away if I make a mistake, which I will. This is stressing me out. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna leave it like this and touch it up right after I do the rest of my face. So before we do the face, I'm gonna spritz some Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist on and just prep my face for that. I'm convinced it does nothing for my skin and how I look afterwards, but it feels really great, so fuck you. Next, I'm going to add green concealer because I do have some spots I would like to conceal that are a little dark. So yeah. And then I'm going to prime my face. Let me put on my Fenty Beauty matchsticks, and I will just cover up everything else. Yes, I use this as foundation, and okay, before that melts off my face, I'm going to set it. See that? I'm sweating. I really am. I'm going to try and put this Cover FX in. I don't know if I was supposed to put it on before I set or what, but girl. So I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. You know how in the song Ariana was like listing her favorite things, like breakfast at Tiffany's, bottles of bubbly, and then she says girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble? Those are some of her favorite things. I'm just saying. So what I want to do before I add the permanent eyeliner, I want to add more shine on the inner corner. I'm going to use this nice little like frosty pink shade, and I'm going to insert it in the inner corner. Yes, that was the desired effect. So I'm going to go in this eyeliner job with a darker eyeliner. Have I ever used this? It's probably not good if I've never used this before. Okay, I wasn't breathing throughout that entire time. She has a very deep contour here and I haven't contoured in like years, so I'm gonna try. I'm gonna add a little more to that contour because that cheek be popping in that photo that I'm using. Just sculpting the shit out of my fucking jawline. For those of you wondering, yes, I didn't put on concealer because one, the concealer I have is like 5 years old, so I'm not gonna ruin my face with that. Well, I guess one, that's the only thing. I'm going to use this and use this this peachy color. Put it on my neck. Ah! Ah! I guess I have to use it so that I don't waste. I know. I'm gonna put it in here because she has some glitter over here. It's kind of like purplish, but I'm just gonna add this gold to it. Well, it didn't turn out too bad. I realized I forgot to put the bottom parts, so I will do that now. Cute. I don't have a blue lip liner. Do I? No, I don't. So what I'm gonna do is, oh my god, going to line my lips with just a regular lip liner and then go over it with blue. She must have felt powerful with this makeup, because I'm feeling fucking powerful right now. Anytime I wear blue lipstick, I just feel fucking powerful. Make sure there's nothing in the teeth. Her gloss is really glittery, and I don't have that because I ain't a fucking rich ass bitch. So I'm just going to use this one that I got from Black Radiance. I'm sorry, but no one can fucking touch me right now, for reals. And then I'm just going to do my eyelashes, and then I'll be done. Girl, I just cracked my neck. So this is the final look, guys. It turned out actually better than I planned. I didn't realize I had the tools and the skills to do this, so I'm actually very surprised and pretty pleased, and I feel like I look really good. So like I said, if you guys want to know the products that I've used, please just leave a comment and I'll reply to you. I'm always on social media, so I'll get your notification. So that's it for this look. If you guys know Ariana's makeup artists, please let me know so I can follow them. Maybe it's common knowledge who it's supposed to be, but I don't fucking know that shit. That's it for this video. Mahalo nui loa as always for watching, and for those of you who've stuck around, thank you so much. Sorry my videos are very sporadic and erratic. I'm telling this to everyone, but I'm trying to write a book and I'm trying to publish it, so it'd be cool if you guys could, you know, keep updated with me. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this look. If you have a look of your own that you recreated, please tag me in it. I want to see. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in a later one. Shoots.